Welcome to my channel, hope you are doing well. This video, I am going to be unboxing IKON Bluetooth speaker. Model WSY8896 with RGB LED. IKON is the best budget Bluetooth speaker. This is the latest Bluetooth speaker. The first thing we'll talk about the design of the speaker, and as you can see, this thing actually looks quite very nice design. USB, TFT aux-in, and FM radio function. Output power 10 watts. 5mm driver. 2400 mAh battery. User manual. USB Type-C charging cable and 3.5mm aux input cable. Bluetooth version 5.1. Transmission distance 10 meters. Built-in lithium battery 3.7 volts. Amazing RGB LED color selection. It looks beautiful. Let's see how sound quality of this speaker is. Please make sure to use headphones for best sound quality. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon with another video. Have a nice day.